पेटीएम पेमेंट ऐप है वो नॉन डिसरप्टिवली आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं.
But when do you think NPCI will take a decision on Paytm license?
I can't say that. I mean, NPCI, I know the process. NPCI has to do its internal due diligence. So far as RBI is concerned, we have advised that we have informed them that we have no objection if NPCI considers, the Paytm payment app to continue, because our action was against the Paytm Payment Bank. The app is not, it's with the NPCI. So our action was against the payment bank. NPCI will take a call. I would presume they will take a call. I think they should be taking a call shortly.
Governor, to quote your last interview, you said that fintechs are like Ferrari. India needs still a efficient small car. So can I assume that now that SROs have been set up, RBI is essentially looking at extending the regulation in fintech? The soft touch era is over?
If I can digress a little bit, I think the Indian speed today is not like a small car.
Right.
India's economic growth and the way India is growing, I think it is the Tejas speed, the Tejas aircraft speed.
Right.
I think, we are experiencing. But coming back specifically to this question, you said that...
is the soft touch era over?
We don't want to slow down any economic growth. We don't want to slow down the growth of the financial sector. We are completely focused on the growth of a robust financial sector, the growth of the financial sector on a sustainable basis. You see, growth has to be sustainable in the long run. If you grow at a very high speed just for a few years, and then there is a crash, that's not on. As a regulator of the financial sector, it's our effort, it's our responsibility to ensure that the financial sector grows and grows, with a good speed, but in a sustainable manner. So therefore, in the recent years, we have deepened our supervisory processes and approaches, and we are now keeping a very close watch on activities of, not only sectoral, subsectoral activities, but also we are monitoring the activities of the individual banks or the individual NBFCs, the larger ones particularly, let's say the top 100 NBFCs, which control roughly about 80 to 90% of the NBFC space. So the monitoring, the supervision is now much more active. On the regulatory side, we have completely overhauled the regulatory architecture in the sense that for NBFCs, we have positioned a scale-based regulation. We have digital lending guidelines. We have issued ownership guidelines as well as governance guidelines for scheduled commercial banks. So therefore, we have brought in a lot of changes in the regulatory side to ensure that our financial sector remains strong and healthy. And on the supervision side also, we have deepened our supervision to the extent that we constantly monitor what's happening both through offline methods as well as, through off-site as well as on-site methods, including a lot of online information which we get to ensure that the Indian financial sector, again, as I mentioned, remains strong and healthy and grows in a sustainable manner.
But Governor, looking at AI, better compliance, can I say that compliance now will occupy center stage